Keep your loved ones warm with Green Air's February Furnace Tune-Up, now only $69.
We had units that were over 25 years old and consequently very inefficient. We had huge PG&E bills. Came in with a complete solution for us, which not only was new units, but actually redesigning the architecture of the system and actually putting in zones.
This made the whole house really even, so when we walked from one room to the next, it was very good feeling throughout of being at the right temperature.
I would definitely recommend Green Air.
I would as well. You'll be happy.
For your free estimate, call 925-28-GREEN or visit gogreenair.net today.